Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 maths NCERT textbook chapter 1 number system, and we are going to discuss the 30th part of this chapter, and we are discussing the 5th question from exercise 1.3 in this video. So let's get into the question. What can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block? That means they have given that the decimal expansion of some number is going to be what? Repeating. Okay, it is going to be what? Repeating. That means it is going to be a rational number of digits in the decimal expansion of what? 1 divided by 17. So what do they want us to do? They want us to divide 1 by 17, and we have to find how many number of digits are there, after which it is going to keep on repeating. Okay, that is our work. So now we have to do this division only. It's very simple, but then you will have to very carefully do the division. So that's all, children. So let's proceed with the division here. Okay, so you have 1, okay, and for your 1 you are going to divide it by what? 17. Let's put a longer line so that we'll expect it to be a little bit bigger. So you have 1. So what you're going to do is, this is going to be smaller. So put a 0 point, put a 0. Still it is small. Put a 0, put a 0. So in 17 table, you must know that 17 5s are, what can you get? You will get 85. Okay. So 17 6r will be what? If you add one more 17, so you will get 102. So it will not work out with so this will be into 6 is going to be 102. Okay, we will have all these ready so that it will be easy for us, since it might be a longer division. So it's going to be what? 85. So your balance is what? 15. So it's 17 5s are 85. You put a 0. Obviously it will not be in 6 tables, so let's try it with 8 table. 7 8s are 56, 5 8 1s are 8 9. So it's going to be 136. So you get 136, and the remainder is going to be 4 and 1. So you have 0. Again you have the answer very much here. So again you can put another 8. So you have 136. Now you have 4. Now you have 0. Okay, so 17 into 2s are is 34. Okay, that will easily work out. This is again going to be 6. So you have a 0. So 17 5s are is 85. So it will not work. 2 is 34. It's too small. So I'm going to try for 17 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 2 3 1s are 3. So 51. Yes, it works out. So you have 3, so you have 51. So now what do you have? Again 9 you have. See if it's repeating anywhere. No. So you put a 0, and again here you already have. So 5s are 85. So you have 50. So since it is going to be 3s are is 51, I'll surely get it to be I can only do it by 2 times. Okay, so it will be 2 times, which will be 34. So 34 means it's going to be 16. So I put a 0. So nearing to 160, I have 136, which might be smaller. So let me multiply it by 9. So what will I get? So if it is going to be 17 into 9, I'll get 3, and then I'll get 153. Okay, so I'll put 9, I'll put 153, so it's going to be 7, it's going to be 0. Again nearing to 70, I have 3s are is 51, so let me do it by 4. 8, 2, 4, 0, 5, 6, 68 I'm getting. So 68 4 times, so again I'm getting 2, so 20, so 1 time will be 17. So you're getting 3 0. So again 17 2s are itself is 34. So I cannot do that. So I can only do it by 17 1s are is going to be what? 17. So now I'll get 130. So now let me start with 130 here, since we don't have much space there. I'm just doing it here. So if it's going to be 130, what is the number? I have 136 8 times, so that is not possible. So I'll have to do it by 7 times. So 17 into 7. So it's going to be 119. So I'll get 7 times. So 119. Now it's going to be 1, 1 and 0. So if it's going to be 110, we've already found out 102. So 6 times is what? 102. So I'll get 8. So again a 0. So I need some number nearing to 80. I can try with 4 times, because my 5 10 is going to be 85. So 4 times is what? 68. See, it's nowhere repeating still. So be careful with that. So I'll get what? 2, 1. So 120. So nearing to 120, what do we have here? So if it's going to be nearing to 120, it's 119 here. So I'll have 7s are 119. Again I get 1. Okay. So what will happen? So 1 will not go. So I'll put a 0. Okay. Again what will I do? It doesn't go. So 1, it will not go. So like we'll put a 0. So I have put a 0 again 5 times. So now you see the same cycle is going to start repeating. So this is our answer. Okay, till this you will have tried, because after this it's going to repeat. So how many digits are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Is it clear, children? Yes. So when we divided 1 by 17, so what is the answer we got? We got 0.058823354117647. All this will come under the bar. Okay, so you can even check here. 0.0588235588235, yes, and then 94117647. So you have 94117647. Okay, so after which it's again going to repeat. Okay, so this is the answer for 1 divided by 17. Now how many digits are there? There are 16 digits. Is it easy, children? So only thing is, it's going to be only simple division, which you already learnt in your lower classes. Okay, so 1 by 17, how many digits you have? You have 16 digits in the repeating block. 16 digits in the repeating block. Is it clear, children? Okay, so please go through it. So these questions and all are very easy to solve. Please don't miss out on these questions, so that you don't lose any marks unnecessarily. Okay, so we've completed 5 questions. We have a few more questions to go with. See you again in the next video, the next question. Thank you, children.